What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Hammer Time video. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this really easy DIY Adirondack chair. Stay tuned, I'll show you just how to do it.
So first step is to cut all the pieces to size, and I'm using lamps from Home Depot. I'll link them down in the description below. And there's not a lot of material actually needed for the Adirondack chair. It's actually very minimal. It's only a couple 2x4s, 1x4s, and I think one 2x2. It's very, very easy to do. You just pick all this stuff up at your local hardware store. And then I made sure to make sure both sides were like identical, but opposites, so that you can make sure that the seat sits flat, not at an angle. It's very important. And then for screws here, I used 1.5 and 3-inch screws for the 2x4 connections. And then on one spot, the 1.5 screws are a little bit too long, so I had to cut them off. So I recommend using some shorter screws there. Once the arm slots were attached, I could cut the angles on the back of the chair, and the Adirondack chair was done.
Alright guys, these turned out really great. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy building.